Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and to another video. In my last video I reviewed the lace Born Pretty stamping plate. I will link it up here if you want to take a look. It is absolutely stunning. So I have another Born Pretty plate that came into me today. Now there is going to be a few swatch reviews for my next few videos because I have a good few new plates coming in. So I have some lovely purple nail pops and I have hit the bottle stamp and polish in Snowed In. I just think white would go well over this lovely purple colour. But let's have a look at the plate. So the plate is BPL 086. Now this is I'm not going to say an older plate, it is out from last year I think, but it's just so darn cute. I'm just trying to get it so my light is not reflecting off it. I think that's okay. So it's a farm plate, so we have some fruit and some veg, and then we have like the farm characters down the bottom with the cat trying to catch the birds there, and Mr. and Mrs. Farmer and the dog and the scarecrow, and then we have some animals, so like a dog or a wolf here, your pig, your cow, your sheep, your goat, a butterfly, a honeybee, chicken and an egg, and some farm more farm characters here, like the hay fit, what's that called? It's not a stable, barn. The hay barn and the windmills and the well and stuff. So let's see how this one stamps. I hope it stamps as good as that last lace one we did. So as with all the plates, they have either these blue or these clear films on them. Some of them have two, and you just need to remove that, and I always go in with some pure acetone and just clean it off, just in case there's any sticky residue left in. Now I can feel already the cotton pad is kind of sticking into those grooves, so it is well etched. I don't really ever have any major problems with Born Pretty plates. So let's see how this one goes. It's hard to see it on the stamper head because it is one of those bling ones, but it is definitely there. I might change my stamper just so you can see it that little bit easier. Now, these are the images, guys. They are super cute. To be honest, I'm not too sure when I'll even get to use this plate, because, well, it's a farm plate. But I don't even know what made me buy it, because it wouldn't be normally my type of plate that I would get, but it's something different, and you never know when you might need a cute little cow or pig or scarecrow or whatever. So yeah, so I have it now, so let's hope I get to use it. So these are the images that I chose to pick up with the plate. They all picked up perfectly. There was no problems once again with this Born Pretty plate. So yeah, so that's a thumbs up from me. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up as well. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do videos every Tuesday and Friday, so if you hit that bell, you won't miss out on any of them. So until the next one, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye.